Sanvi here. Welcome back to our channel Easy Learning Star. Today is the weather cold in my place. So me and my mom thought of making which is something hot, healthy and nutritious. So we came up with making something using broccoli and carrots, spinach, which are very healthy and filled with nutrients, aren't they? So as I've told you, we are using these three veggies and we are going to add something twisty in this, and that is we are going to make the paratha or thalipeeth of broccoli or masala roti. Isn't that delicious? So join me and let us start making our hot parothas or thalipeeths. So friends, we are finally done making our delicious broccoli thalipeeth. Let us have a taste of this nutritious dish. Wow, this dish is very tasty and nutritious. No words to explain. As the weather is cold, I am feeling hot inside when I eat this. As you know, broccoli contains protein as a green leafy vegetables. It improves our immunity also. During this pandemic, we cannot go out and have our delicious paratha in the restaurants, but we can have it at home. Isn't it very delicious? Doesn't it look tempting? You can comment me. So let me enjoy my eating. Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Easy Learning Star. Thank you and bye.